Hi, I'm Dave from Sicard RV, and we're here in the showroom with a 2021 Roadtrek Zion. This Roadtrek is on the 3500 Ram ProMaster chassis. It's equipped with power steps from the passenger and driver's door, as well as entry into the rear of the coach. Power electric awning, and incredibly beautiful panoramic windows. This Zion is also equipped with these beautiful panoramic windows down the whole side of the van. The 2021 Zion has these lovely seats that spin around, so they form a big part of your living area in a small motorhome. It's also equipped with two 200 amp hour lithium modules that basically run the entire coach off the batteries. You really don't even need to plug this coach in when you're driving it and using it on a regular basis, which makes it excellent for the people who like to be on the move. The Zion is equipped with an all-in-one bathroom with marine toilet and shower. In the middle of the coach, we have all the kitchen amenities. We have your sink, your stove, 5 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator, in the back, the sleeping area can be configured in is available in two different ways. One is side-facing sofas, which convert to the bed, and this is the optional front-facing sofa, which gives you an extra 3 seat belts at the back. Thanks for watching our tour of our 2021 Zion. If you'd like more information or would like to book an appointment to view this unit, please contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.